What's good? This your boy Crazy J, and in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about something that a lot of people probably be like, "Man, why are you saying this? Is it you're a producer? Why would you even insinuate to do something like this?" But I'm gonna let it be known. I think it's extremely important as a rapper, as a singer, whatever you're doing, that not only do you need to learn how to write music like lyrics, but you also need to learn about music production. And why do I say that? The reason why I say that is because the more you know about the process of music production, the more you will respect music production and the more that you will be able to have input on how you want your song or to sound or the end result of what you're looking for. So if you have a rough draft of an idea that you want to give to a producer, that's going to take you so much further than just going somewhere and waiting for somebody to pull ideas out of the sky for you to rap over or to write to. Some of the top tier artists that's in the game today, they are also low key producers. Like if you look at what's the guy's name, Charlie Puth. Like, dude is a phenomenal artist all around. Like, can sing, can do multi instruments, can produce everything. So you got people like that. You got people like Omarion. A lot of people don't know Omarion makes beats as well. He crafts ideas. Then you got Bruno Mars, the same thing. Kanye West, quite possibly one of the biggest artists in the game right now. He produces and writes his stuff. He doesn't produce. A lot of times he doesn't even produce the whole beat. He might have an idea and he'll just give it to somebody and they produce the idea for him. So that's the power of learning how to produce your own music. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be crafting some videos to help artists out there that want to learn how to do music production. And it doesn't have to be a whole lot of information. I don't want to take you away from your main objective of being a songwriter, but I do want to teach you some of the basics on how to make and craft your own instrumentals. And who knows, you might do like I did and realize that your passion lies in actually making the music bed that everybody writes their songs to. So, yeah, I just felt like making this video right quick. Hope you're having an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year, whatever year it is. And this is your boy Crazy J. I'll let you later.